Hey guys, this is the KW510 car battery tester, charger and the repairing tool, and this is the box that they're coming with. Also here we have the user manual, which is in 5 languages, and there's a charging cable. So we can see this is the main unit. You just need to plug this one into here when you need to charge. You connect this one to your car batteries. So I'm going to show you step by step about how this is working. Connect this to the negative and this one to the positive. You see the unit is light on, and we see there are 5 options. One is to check, it's for the battery tester. There are 4 buttons here. We have a charger, and this is a fault, so you can navigate it, and we can see this in vehicle. We can navigate this to battery test, and we can check the regular faucet and the CCA. The CCA will according to your batteries. So this is a 425 CCA. We adjust this one to the 425. Click OK. So you see this is a good battery with a SOH 100% healthy, and also the charging is 98% resistance. So there are other functions of this in-vehicle battery test. We have the cranking test, which is for testing the battery starting system. And turn off the engine before, press the enter. And now we'll start the engine. So you see the RPM is detected, and we have the cranking is low because there's some charging problems. And next we'll see the charging test. You can see there's a ripple test here, which is showing the ripple, and we see the difference between them. So increase the RPM to 205 and keep it conditions. So we'll see here, if the charging is normal, and you have the ripple, which is here with the voltage test, volts result. So here we will show you KW510 repairing and charging and some other features. So we have this unit here. You will have this plug. So you just need to connect to the AC power. So we need to connect this red to the positive and the black to the negative. So it has the protection even you connect this with we use this to check the status of this battery. And yeah, this good battery with SOC 96 and SOH 92. And you can also see in the setup, if you have some language problems, you can switch to 8 languages, like to the Dutch. I will switch it back to the English. So after that, you just need to connect this to your AC adapter. 5 functions here about the repair. So please make sure the battery is disconnected with the vehicles. So you can see the battery is starting to repairing it. So you can just leave it or just wait for a minute. So if you have this like wrong connect, this will be turned on like this, red to the negative. You can also see when you start to do the repair, if it gives you error, and this will be blink, which means the connection is wrong. So let's put it back here. And you can start to repair, and this is green. So you can also use it to charge. And meanwhile you hear this fan is started working, And you see it's already 90%, which is the same as we checked before. And this is the current, which is the charging voltage. We have a temperature compensation. This is the wind. This is summer mode here. So as you can see here, it's already been charged to 100%, and the current will be down to the 1 amps. It's very low, and the charging voltage will be 13.35, and we'll exit. You will hear it, and then we'll use the check function to check it out of vehicles to verify if the battery has been fully charged. So you can see here, SOC already been charged to 98%. So after around 5 minutes charge, let's check again about the SOH increased by 1%. So it's really important for this to work.